To make this beautiful animal with towels, you need two towels. The more thickness, the animal looks more interesting. In this case, I took two towels with normal thickness. These are normal usage towels. You can try with these kind of towels also, no issues. So once you spread the towel, you need to find the center of the towel. You need to hold the center point with left hand and start rolling it out from your using your right hand from one side. We need to repeat this step until we reach the middle of the towel. So you need to slowly roll it out so that the neck part of the animal looks comes very stiff and it will looks great. So now we done with one side. Now we will hold the towel center point with the other hand and we will do the same procedure. You need to do it until you reach the center point. Once we done this, we are done with the first step. Then we will go for next towel process. So if you see, this is very simple. We are preparing the main body of the animal. So you can do it different kind of animals, but this animal requires a stiff neck part. We are done with that, and now we are started processing of next towel. So this we will make this as a legs of that body, animal body. So you need to yeah, hold like this. So once you done, now you need to find out the middle of the towel and you gently fold it so that you will get two legs. If you see, these are two legs we prepared. Now our legs are ready and the body also ready. Now we will attach them. So you just keep like this and just turn over it and it will stand automatically. Now you just fold the neck part as you like so that it looks like animal. Now our animal ready. So you can gently hold it as per your requirement. So normally in restaurants or five-star hotels, this kind of things you will see when you enter into room. So basically they will follow this kind of procedure. You can try at your home. It's very simple thing. You need only two towels and some patience. So our beautiful dinosaur ready. So normally if you take big thick towels with then it looks more elegant and more body